How is everybody doing? This was a great day in the crypto community. Probably a great past 2 days in the crypto community. So I had to make a video on what's been going on. I haven't made a video on crypto yet, but if you don't know, now you know. I am also a crypto investor when it comes to investing. I just got into crypto maybe consistently 2 years ago. So it's probably been a big part of my life to invest in crypto. I've made some really good profits, so I was like, why not? It's another opportunity. So around 1 year ago, I invested in XRP, and I didn't invest too heavy. I probably put like $700 or $800 in, but at the time that got me around 2,000 XRP. And with everything that happened, I probably would say that's the best decision I've ever made with investing. I don't know what it is, and maybe y'all can comment and let me know. I just feel some type of way about this investment. Shout out to Alex Cobb. During investing in XRP, I watched a lot of his videos, and he gave me so much good information on what XRP actually is and how it's the fastest transaction coin. But anyways, getting straight to the point, we're going to be reviewing XRP the past 2 days, and we're going to make some predictions on what's going to happen within the market that we're in, because we're in a huge bull market right now for XRP. I'm pretty sure it's topping all the other cryptos and how much it's going up, so that's pretty good to see. But once again, this is a long-term investment. You've got to keep that mindset because the payout could be a lot bigger with this one, I feel like. But yeah, shout out Alex Cobb. He definitely taught me a lot about XRP. And let's jump right into the video and see if we can go to CoinMarketCap and see where XRP is sitting at this second right now, because the numbers are jumping crazy. This thing is going bonkers. Last time I checked earlier, it was up like 16%. So it went from, it was getting scary. It went from like 57 cents, 55 cents, something like that. It was around that support. And last time I checked, it just hit $1. So this is crazy. 16% would just be today.
Oh my God! Wow!
So it's crazy. Over the week, this thing is really pumped. And with me buying XRP, I backed it with XLM because those were similar. So I bought 1,000 XLM, which is not much, but it was like, all right, I'm gonna have a little bit of insurance, so when XRP goes up, maybe XLM can follow and I can double dip. So that was the idea when it came to that. But I just felt like I had to make this video. XRP is finally coming back up to good numbers where we want to see it at. I just want to see it above $1. Just stay. You can hover for a year, I don't care. Just stay above $1. We don't need to go back down in them 30-cent territories, 30-cent territory, or 20-cent territory. That was rough. But if that's the case, I have so much faith in XRP that I would buy more. I would double down. I'd throw a lot of bread at that thing because I truly love XRP. It just makes sense compared to the other cryptos. If you've used it, that crypto moves fast. When I transferred it between brokers, literally 20 seconds. You could transfer Bitcoin and it takes 45 minutes. I've done both. And it's ridiculous the amount of speed XRP has. And with the lawsuit and everything that happened with Coinbase kind of shutting out trading, it just makes you want to hold more because there's something suspicious with this. And when Coinbase opens up for XRP, I think the numbers on this thing will double immediately. If it's at $2, I think it's gonna go to $4 because there's gonna be so much buying on Coinbase because so many people use Coinbase. I like Coinbase. I don't mind it. It's so simple. It's like a Robinhood platform, but they once again had to do some shady shit and shut down trading on XRP because of the lawsuit. But the good thing about that is a lot of brokers did the same thing. So it's not like just Coinbase was trying to, screw everybody over. A lot of brokers did the same thing. So that's good to hear and think about it in a positive way. But once it opens back up, once the floodgates open, we are just going to see a lot of buying on XRP, and I cannot wait. That's where the profits are going to start rolling in, and I'll be super happy because this has been a long wait. But as soon as they open up the floodgates, I'm going to be one of them people buying. I'm going to be, throwing bread at this thing because I love XRP. And I just think we ought to, when Coinbase opens, we ought to shut that broker down, freeze it up. So much buying, we're going to freeze the broker up. But with that being said, let's hop straight into CoinMarketCap, and I want to see where XRP is. I want to see where Bitcoin is, and I want to see what we're ranked on with the ranks, because I believe XRP should be moving up in ranks, or it still might be sitting around number 5 or number 6, wherever it is. But let's go check that out. Let's hop right into it. All right, everybody. So looking at XRP, we are sitting at number 6 on the list on CoinMarketCap, sitting right at $1 right now, so right at that part where we want to stay at. 24-hour percentage, 17%. So 17% is awesome. 7-day percentage, we're looking at 31% we're up, which is crazy. You know, 31% from a crypto that's in the pennies is a lot of movement. And that's, you know, that's big. It's almost doubling itself within the 7-day percentage. And when it says 7-day percentage, all of this has happened within the last like 3 days that we've pumped up so fast. I hope we can stay steady, because the spike looks pretty, you know, unhealthy right now. It's kind of not pulling back at all, so we should be looking for a pullback soon, but I hope that pullback's around $1.50. So looking at the market cap, we have a $47 billion market cap, so looking good on that. The volume for 24 hours has been 7 billion, almost 8 billion, honestly, with XRP, which is crazy. I mean, that is pretty crazy. And that's 7 billion with trading shut down on Coinbase, and mostly trading shut down in the United States besides a couple brokers. I'm looking at Ethereum. That's sitting at $3,167. Looking at Bitcoin, we were sitting around like $34,000 I think it was last week, and now we're up to $45,000. So really good 14% jump within the last 7 days for Bitcoin. I did want to share what happened with XRP and some news that they did put out that could have affected why we're having this pump. But it kind of, I don't know if it was just the news, because at the same time, you know, Bitcoin goes up and they say the altcoins follow Bitcoin. So I don't know if it was the news that XRP had that made it really jump up, but XRP is doing like substantially better than it usually does, I feel like. Because last bull, you know, when the bull run happened, we saw Bitcoin go, you know, to 60,000 plus. XRP, like, it went to, you know, $1.90 plus and like kind of topped out and, you know, fell back down. But this time we're looking at XRP and it's already at $1 and Bitcoin's at $45,000. So how much, you know, if Bitcoin jumps another $15,000, you know, back up to where it was at 60K, could we see XRP surpass $2? It's quite possible. Definitely when Coinbase opens up, like I was saying, definitely possible. But, you know, it's looking really good right now. This looks a lot better than the beginning of the year. So looking at XRP's Twitter, they tweeted that we're excited to partner with GME Remittance to accelerate and scale payments from South Korea into Thailand, building on the RippleNet momentum in APAC, where transactions are growing 130% a year over year. That's fantastic news for Ripple. Obviously, they're basically expanding, and they have new partners, which is great. In South Korea and Thailand, you know, we're global. This is going to be a huge, huge crypto. Fast payments, and we're global. In the midst, they're doing all this during a lawsuit. You know, people are still believing in XRP even while they're getting sued by the SEC. Or they're being, you know, the SEC is attempting to sue XRP and losing horribly. Because I know that the SEC didn't want to hand over documents or evidence supporting why they were suing Ripple, so I don't even understand why this thing is still going. I'm just a matter of time before the court case closes. This is all behind us, and XRP is at $10. You know, I see it happening. But until then, you know, we're gonna hold, and that's definitely gonna be my opinion on this one, is to hold. Throw in a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been doing this for a while, and I have an educated opinion on everything that's going on in the market that I love sharing with everybody. So that's really what, you know, makes me happy, is sharing my opinion. Looking at stuff and then seeing my opinions work sometime. Alright guys, to end this video out, I wanted to look at the XRP chart and analyze, you know, what's going on and where we could expect a pullback. So looking at July 18th, we hit our rock bottom on XRP, which was 52 cents. We, immediately from there, it bounced off 52 cents, went back to 56, and from there on kept climbing until we really started, climbing this week. So it's been steady, and when it's so steady, sometimes you'll notice it. Like I'll open my broker and just take a peek at things sometimes and see if there's anything that's a good price point to buy or something like that. But I didn't even notice XRP moving as well as it moves until I looked at the 1 month. When I looked at the 1 month on XRP, then I'm like, oh wow, this has been steadily going up. This looks really well. I mean, obviously when you see a huge spike like what happened this week, it looks really well to you. But being an investor, you know that there's going to be a pullback somewhere in between there, because when stuff moves up really fast, there's usually, that big correction that comes in. It takes a little break, it eases out a little bit, and then continues to go up. So that would be healthy to see a little pullback, even though it might be like, oh man, we're going back down. No, it should be a pullback, because we have good news coming out, and I think XRP is due to come back up to where it was. So from, like I said, 52 cents, we climbed all the way, hit 60, went through that iron wall of 70, and then kept pushing. And now today, huge. It was huge today. We broke $1. That's big right there. We, proved that XRP is leaving that range of 30 cents. We should not see XRP at 30 cents anymore. So back up to $1. And I believe it hit excuse me, I believe it hit 109 earlier. So back up to $1 all the way up to 109, and then sold off a little bit, and now we're pulling back. Hopefully that pullback is staying above $1. So I'd like to see it around 101, 102. Maybe wake up tomorrow and see, back at 109 or 110. That'd be nice. But yeah, overall this chart looks extremely bullish. Expect a pullback coming soon. And looking at the 1 day, so just today, we started off today at 85 cents and spiked off today at, it's showing on here, 106. Okay, so today was an extremely good day. You're looking at 20-cent gains today, which is crazy. That's really all I have to say about XRP today. It's it's really flying, and it's good to see. So I just really wanted to make a video about it. It's gonna be my first crypto video on this channel, and I'm really happy it's XRP. It's honestly one of my favorite cryptos, I'd have to say. But that's basically gonna end out the video. If you are interested in my videos, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. And I'll continue to make good content and try to learn more as I keep making videos and making everybody happy. So let's get it done, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.